What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Well, as y'all know, on yesterday I had a flat tire. I say tire again. A flat tire. And today it's supposed to do a little sprinkler and whatnot, but that's another thing. I forgot my dang my coat. I gotta get my coat. Cause they ain't got time to be wet. Wet. Like I was saying before I had to go back in the house. Don't never take your car to a tire place and have someone to put your tires up there, put the tires up there with the bolts real tight, because all that do is send you back to them and that's more money out your pocket. But make sure you learn how to do the tire yourself. I know how to do my own tire, and the reason why I couldn't get the bolt off of them because the guys had put the bolt up there real tight. Look, guys, y'all, and this goes for everyone who does tires, put tires on cars. You do not have to put you do not have to put bolts. When you put the bolt up there and you got that machine, all you need is 1 or 2 times. You don't need to be 3, 4, 5 times. You don't need to keep mashing, because all that does is, after a while, you're going to strip that bolt. And you ain't be able to, you see what I'm saying, get it off. So, that's goes for, in general. I'm not talking to a certain one, that goes in general. Don't make yourself think that you really doing something when you really ain't doing nothing, making it bad for the owner that owns the vehicle. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go and see if I can get me a tire. I'm not going all the way to Goldsboro. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Just for a tire. Yeah, I'm not doing. So anyway, that's what I'm about to do. See about this one tire that I have to get. Anyway, yeah, I just have to see from there, y'all.